Journee, do you like your doctor?
Yeah.
You do? Why do you like her?
Because he had to walk.
I had a bit of a hard pregnancy and a challenging birth. And when Journee was born, doctors told me that given the injury that she had sustained, that there was a strong likelihood that she wasn't going to be able to see, talk, or walk. That was a really hard pill to swallow as a mom.
Journee presented to us spastic cerebral palsy, and our evaluation of her revealed multiple contractures. She was also having a significant amount of tone and spasticity. We wanted to tackle this, but noted that the contractures were getting in her way, and so we decided to proceed with surgery to release the muscles, lengthen them, and relieve the contractures prior to planning for spasticity management.
So Journee had rehab after both her orthopedic surgery with Dr. Vargeshe and then after the selective dorsal rhizotomy. So with the selective dorsal rhizotomy, we're rather rapidly, at the time of surgery, changing the muscle tone in her lower extremities, in her legs. And because of that, she has to learn to re-walk and learn how to use her legs again and how to walk with a nice gait pattern as opposed to a typical 4-year-old pattern of getting there as fast as possible.
1, 2, 3, go! All right.
I think with this whole journey, what I've seen in Journee the most is her light and how these surgeries and these experiences with the doctors and Kennedy Krieger Institute have added to who she is and her self-esteem. A couple of the things that I've noticed is Journee's ability to stand independently. We're in the beginning of the process, but just seeing her be able to stand for 20 seconds and have that level of freedom is something that I was told would never happen.
Well, we're very fortunate at Johns Hopkins in that we have the opportunity to work with a really world-class place like Kennedy Krieger Institute, where they're very well known for their rehab. They have excellent programs here that are not necessarily found elsewhere, and because of that, the kids can take advantage of all the expertise.
Journee is a very, she's a tough girl, that's the way I would put it. In spite of all the spasticity she had, when her mom asked her to walk, she just put in everything she had into it. And to see that in a child who's 4 years old, just sees the determination that she had.
I believe all parents want for their kids, for them to be an amazing human being. And I definitely think that Johns Hopkins and Kennedy Krieger have added to who she is as a person in a way I never imagined.